हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे ऐसे ऑन इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स। दोस्तों, अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ अब जल्दी से इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही बेल आइकन बटन को भी प्रेस कर दें। These days, computers are as common as been. They are rightly regarded as the most fascinating invention of modern age. Computer is not just a machine, it is rather a small wonder. A computer is a complete world. It can process data, it can type letters, it can connect you to the world, and it can be a DVD player. So on the whole, computer is an all-in-one product of the modern age. The use of computer has dominated life. They are playing their part in every field of life, be in economy, engineering, science and technology, trade or commerce, transportation, communication, education and entertainment. Computers are part and parcel of every activity. Computers of performing the following jobs. Computer is a controller of the modern society. It controls machines as well as the thinking and ideas of man. On the whole, computers are the most reliable guide as well as controller of human affairs. Computers are very important for business. Whatever is asked from the computer, it answers accurately and objectively. The most advanced scientific researches and investigations are taking place with the help of computers. So it also plays the role of a scientist. Space can be explored, discoveries can be made, and eclipses and earthquakes can be predicted by computer. In modern times, computers have proven themselves to be the teacher of humanity. Modern educational institutions use computers as the chief instructors. Computers are the best entertainers. Anything can be heard or seen on computers. Even for recording purposes, computers are being used. A computer in a house can be called as mini theater of the house. Computers have some drawbacks also. The major disadvantage is the displacement of man. In other words, computers are the major source of unemployment as they end the need of more workers. Boring activities result from computer because natural talents of man are limited with the use of computers. Man becomes a machine in the company of machine. Too much use of computer in every field has bad effect on human behavior. Man is at the mercy of machines. He is computer dependent. He surrenders his own talent before computer. In short, man has become slave of computer. In the end, we can say that all things are mixture of good and bad. We cannot deny computers' dominant role and its effect on society. तो दोस्तों, ये था ऐसे ऑन कंप्यूटर्स, इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स। दोस्तों, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ आप इस वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करें, इस वीडियो को शेयर करें। अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं ऐसी और वीडियोस देखने में तो प्लीज़ आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। आप इस वीडियो को फेसबुक व्हाट्सएप के तहत शेयर कर सकते हैं, अपने दोस्तों को इस चैनल के बारे में बता सकते हैं। अगर आप चाहते हैं कि मैं किसी पार्टिकुलर टॉपिक के ऊपर वीडियो बनाऊं तो कमेंट के थ्रू बता सकते हैं। इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए आपका बहुत शुक्रिया। प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल। थैंक यू।